the Gigabyte M28U Gaming Monitor. Before we start, I just want to say this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this completely out of pocket. Let's do it. I'm yours. Yeah, I paid for this. I paid this on special, so it's roughly around I think 600 US dollars or around 800, 900 AUD. I got it on sale for around 700.
Retractable?
I think so, yeah. Oh, you gotta unscrew them, I think. Oh!
Or do you slide them up?
I don't know if you can. Oh wait, yes you can.
Just slide them up.
Okay, yeah,
okay,
yeah,
yeah,
okay. So once we set it up, there was a few difficulties trying to get it to actually 4K at 120 Hz. You did have to go through a few of the settings. It was quite annoying. It still shows that the AMD FreeSync is off. I don't know how to actually change that. I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually, but it says enable even though it's not. I don't know if that's a problem. But other than that, the actual gameplay, overall it feels incredibly smooth. 4K as well. For a fairly cheap price, I reckon this is arguably one of the best 4K resolution high hertz displays. So at first we didn't have 4K 120 Hz. What we had to do was go to your setting.
Video fidelity.
Yeah, auto video fidelity. So you'd have to go here and then do auto detect. Because it was on HDMI, but then when you change it to auto detect, then you can get the option of changing it to 4K. So overall, the game looks extremely smooth, especially on 120 Hz. Now that I've touched 120 Hz, I don't think I'll ever be able to go back to 60. But the resolution is really, really good. Halo Infinite is not exactly the best quality in terms of looks, but the gameplay is just so smooth. In my opinion, I think it's definitely worth it. For only about $700 to $800, I think it's definitely worth the cost. It's 28 inches as well, which means it's definitely big enough. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much all. Appreciate it. You have a good one.